Anyone may receive an IRS Letter 525. No matter what your pay scale, any IRS audit notice will leave you wondering about the steps you need to take. Keep watching for information on what your obligations are and how to respond to IRS Letter 525 so that you may secure the best possible outcome. IRS Letter 525. When you receive IRS Letter 525, it will contain a report of adjustments the IRS is proposing be made to your tax return. If you are in agreement with the suggested changes, sign and return the adjustment form. No further action is necessary if the change was an increase in your refund. If you owe additional tax, follow the instructions and make sure you pay the balance by the date it is due. If you do not agree with their proposal, you need to submit a request for an appeal. Refer to the IRS publications and follow their appeal or protest procedures. This includes filing your appeal within 30 days of the IRS Letter 525 notice date. If your taxes were prepared by a certified public accountant or CPA, or other tax preparation service, they may be able to help you with a determination on whether to agree or disagree with the IRS findings. If you plan to file an appeal, your best course of action is to consult with experienced tax attorneys who are knowledgeable about the legal requirements of the IRS appeal process. Filing an appeal. Your 525 letter may include a phone number you can call to begin the appeal process. While this may seem the easiest and fastest way to reach a resolution, it isn't necessarily the best. Making a phone call does not provide any written proof you took appropriate action. It is better to submit a written request explaining the reasons you disagree with the IRS findings. While it is possible to follow the steps on your own, having qualified tax attorneys prepare the appeal gives you a larger chance of a successful outcome. They are familiar with how the IRS views specific information and documentation that will support your position. Every notice you receive from the IRS will have a response deadline. Missing those deadlines will result in you losing your right to appeal an auditor's change with the IRS Office of Appeals. The IRS will issue a notice of deficiency and send you a notice that you have 90 days to file a petition with the U.S. Tax Court. The IRS prefers to reach a settlement agreement rather than engage in litigation. If a settlement is not reached, the IRS will issue a statutory notice of deficiency requiring you to pay the disputed tax. Your tax attorney will handle any settlement negotiations and follow the appropriate steps to file a written appeal. Can't afford to pay. If you are unable to pay the amount the IRS determines is an additional tax obligation, there are options available. The biggest mistake you can make is ignoring the notices. You must show you are in compliance with the IRS requirements by filing tax returns on time and paying the balance due or setting up a payment plan. The IRS imposes severe tax penalties and interest, so working out a payment plan or securing a loan that allows you to pay the balance are your best options. You may also want to consider using the IRS Fresh Start program. This program allows people who owe back taxes to pay their obligation without the risk of liens being placed against their homes or vehicles. The Silver Tax Group can assist you with an IRS audit, stop the IRS from garnishing your wages, keep tax payments and penalties from growing out of control, and more. Contact the Silver Tax Group using our convenient online form or call 855-907-0243 to schedule a consultation regarding your tax-related questions.